Ooh, welcome back to the channel, guys. Real quick, y'all see this? Brothers Motors, baby. Oh, they had this car towed in, guys. Why do you tow a car in just because your turn signal don't work? I don't know. I guess some people paranoid like that. I ain't driving it, tow it in. I don't know, but it's just weird hearing somebody having a car towed in because the turn signal don't work. Now, first thing first, guys, it's duplicated. Okay. Now, notice, guys, that will be blinking a whole lot faster if a bulb was out. Okay, y'all understand that technology, right? All right, that's left side working. Right side working at the same speed, so no, there's no bulb. Wait a minute. Maybe they was talking about the... Well, that's working. Alrighty, what do we... Okay. I don't know, man. Let's go. Maybe gotta be driving for it to stop. Who knows? First thing first, guys, in every form of diagnostic, you have to start with a duplication of the problem. It's still blinking. Okay, I see. Y'all saw that? All right, I know what's going on. All right, guys. That is let me put, y'all see that? I'm essentially simulating a right-hand signal turn. I grab the steering wheel to turn right. Of course, the car veers right. And when the steering wheel, okay, see that? It didn't cut off. Okay. Cancellation, guys. Turn signal cancellation. I'm sure it's on either side. All right, I'm full left turn. Yep, it's not canceling, guys. Look at that. It's still on. All right. I have a pretty good idea. Guys, that's why duplication is the key. The average guy, the average mechanic, the average technician would have simply, look at this, replace this. Some would call this a multifunction switch. Some would call this a turn signal switch. All right. Now, depending on how the car's set up, guys, I want to call it a cancellation cam. There's a thing called a cancellation cam attached to either the turn signal switch or, in this case, the clock spring. Yes, I have done a few of these. The clock inside the airbag module, clock spring has that function, the turn signal cancellation function. All right, so let me do this one more time. Left turn, turn the steering wheel, turn it back. Yes, the cancellation. All right, guys, don't just automatically assume that this car needs a turn signal switch. All right, because that is not the case always. That may be the case, but you need to check it out, guys. Could very well need a clock spring. And you know what? We're not going to guess or discuss it or talk about it. We're going to find out. So, guys, hold tight. I'm going in the shop. We'll get to diagnosing this car further. Stay tuned. I'll be right back. All right, guys. First thing first, we're trying to determine what has the cancellation cam. Is it the turn signal switch or the airbag clock spring? All right. First thing first, though, in order to find out, guys, remember, we always allocate, we do the same thing at the dealership. We always allocate an hour for diagnostics. So yes, we do charge checkout time. This is included in your checkout time. I do not want to guess at this. Okay. I don't know if your cancellation cam is built on a turn signal switch or the clock spring. Only way to know is to find out. All right. So we got to get this airbag cover off. It's two bolts holding this airbag on. Let's get this off. I already have one out. All right, looks like we're gonna have to go even further. And what I mean by further is, guys, make sure your battery is disconnected. All right, messing with airbags, you do not want an accident with an airbag module. Okay, you got the airbag module off. Yes, we're gonna have to go further simply because I can't see. All right, so steering wheel got to come off, guys. Some cases you may need a steering wheel puller. Some cases you will not. In some cases, you can do like me and you use your brute strength. Okay, but we don't know how tight this is on. We got to get this off. This is likely a 10mm hex Allen. All right, so let me grab my drill and the Allen head. Let's get this steering wheel off, guys. Let's get it. Alrighty, guys. I have my drill impact. Let's try to get this steering wheel off. Okay, cool. All right, here's the bolt, the nuts. All right, now, I don't know. Again, I don't know if I'm gonna need a steering wheel puller. Before I go grab mine, I wanna see. Okay, you may not need, yeah, you don't need a steering wheel puller for this one, guys. See, now it is, however, spline, okay? Oh, make sure this don't turn, guys. This can mess you up. You can lose clock spring rotation doing that. All right, so from here, from this point, it looks like I'm gonna have to go even further. Yes, I'm gonna have to go so far as to remove the clock spring. All right, now I'm faced with 3, those look like T15s. I'm gonna have to get those T15s out of there, guys, and then pull the clock spring out. Actually, guys, I can see my problem, but I want y'all to have a closer look. So we're gonna pull this clock spring out. All right, let's get it. All right, guys, there you have it. It's a little piece fell down. Okay, guys, here's our problem right here. Y'all see that? So this acts as the cancellation cam. All right, guys, so when you turn the turn signal, let's make a left turn. See that lever push out? Now, with that lever being out, these gears inside of here, right here, okay, as you turn the steering wheel back the other way after your turn, this cam's supposed to knock that down like that and, you know, cancel the turn. Okay, so because this is broken, that's not going to happen, or that's not happening. All right, so yes, guys, if we had a gamble with this and just simply said you need a turn signal switch, we would have lost. Okay, turn signal switch is not easy, guys, so there's a lot of other work you have to do to get in here. But my thing is, you don't need a turn signal switch. The turn signal switch is doing its job. It's expanding this or pushing out this lever here. The clock spring job is to cancel it. So in essence, the cancellation cam is built on the clock spring, and this clock spring, yeah, you can see a big chunk of it missing right here. I saw something fall down here. When I clean up, I'm gonna pull that back up. You can see a big chunk of it missing right here. I need a clock spring, guys. More long story short, so y'all know the drill. Let me go sell this. I don't want this to be 2 parts, so let me see if I can how quickly I can get one, guys. And if you ever need a steering control module, this it right here, guys. All right, just take this screw right here off and it lifts straight up. All right, so number of reasons you can need this. You may have the light on for traction control. I'm gonna put in the description because I'm having a hard time memorizing it, but there's a lot of reasons you can need this, and you gotta also make sure it's pulled up, the head is pulled all the way up. But for now, let me concentrate on what it's in for. No turn signal. They said no turn signal switch working, but it's actually, the turn signal is not canceling. I did go verify that. All right, guys, let me go find a clock spring. Stay tuned. All right, guys, now we played the waiting game. We got to find out if the customer want to buy it. I did, however, find one of mine. Y'all see that? There's no teeth missing out of here. So this is the way it should look, as opposed to this one, which come off the car. See that chunk missing? Simple, guys. Cancellation cam. You gotta be careful with stabbing this in too, guys. You see how tiny, how much room you got down there? Not much at all. You gotta get it right, or you bend these little pins, it's a wrap, guys. So it takes some finesse. All right, so guys, I don't want to hold y'all long. The installation is simply a reversal of the removal. Okay, so there's really nothing else to see. I'm going to get a new clock spring. I'm sure you guys want to know if it fixed it. I'm going to go out on a limb and guarantee it's going to fix it, simply because I can see the problem. All right, so I don't want y'all hanging around. I don't want to leave this video open, so I'm going to close this video, but I'm waiting on authorization to put a new clock spring in here to fix her turn signal would not cancel. All right, so guys, that's all I have. I'm gonna wrap this up. What did we get out of this? Hopefully you got, it's simple. Do not always take a chance with a turn signal switch. Okay, there's other things that can cause your turn signal not to work besides your turn signal switch. We see that firsthand here. Wait, JT, wait, guys. Clock spring showed up. They approved it, showed up. I got it already on. Just want to prove to y'all that the car is fixed. Yes, same car. I don't know how do you prove that, but if you don't believe me, you just don't believe me. Here, turn signal. Let's make a left turn. Left turn. Let's make that left turn. All right, let's straighten the wheel back up. And let y'all see that turn signal kick off. All right, guys, let's make a right turn. Insinuating right turn. Where's my light? Yes, right there, blinking. All right, let's make this right turn. Okay, let's go straight. Did y'all hear that? Okay, so that cancellation cam. Yeah, I don't even have to turn hard. Yep. That's it. Now, once again, that's all I have. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. You piece of junk. And I'll see y'all on the next video.